So firstly, brothers and sisters, in this month of Shawwal, we should make an effort to hold ourselves accountable by always asking ourselves questions on a daily basis. Before we go to sleep, when we wake up, how was I in this month of Ramadan? How am I in these days that are passed in Shawwal, right after the month of Ramadan? And one easy way to remember this is the statement of Umar ibn al-Khattab radiyallahu anhu, a beautiful statement that Khalifa, that the Amir al-Mu'mineen, that he made. He said, "Hasibu anfusakum qabla an tuhasabu, wazinu a'malakum qabla an tuzanu." Listen closely. Hold yourselves accountable before you will be held accountable. And weigh your deeds before they will be weighed. You notice the passive tense in both of these verbs. Qabla an tuhasabu, before you be held accountable. By who? By Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when you die and when there is no return and you're full of regret. When Allah shows you everything that you've done and you're full of regret. This is why Umar ibn Khattab used the imperative form of the verb. Hasibu anfusakum. Time is limited. What are you doing in life? You don't know when you will die. Time is limited. You will die. What are you doing? Are you holding yourselves accountable? Then he said, "Wazinu a'malakum qabla an tuzanu," and weigh your deeds. Look at what you're doing. What are you doing in this life? If it is good, praise Allah for it and ask Him to keep you consistent in that. Ask Him to make you sincere. If it is a good action, you may not be sincere. You may be doing it to be seen, to be appreciated, to be loved. But that love of appreciation should be from Allah initially. Training our kids to do that. Yes, when they're young, they want to please you as a father and as a mother. That's fine. But reminding them that the source of all of this is the creator of me, being your father, etc. So weigh your deeds before they will be weighed by Allah on the day of judgment, when your deeds will be weighed. And there is no turning back.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.